Hi ladies and gentlemen, we are here at one of the tanks of the company Netz-BW in German. In English you all know it's BW. And you can see here with this view the area on which the tank supplies. This tank is responsible for supplying 46,000 people here in the city of Stuttgart. The company is responsible for more 44 tanks, just like the one that is located here in this hill. And furthermore, we also have 68 different distribution zones, because here in Stuttgart we have different topographies, and in order to supply all the population here, we need different pressure zones on which we manage the supply of the water.
The company checks the weather every day, plus online, and once a week they go inside the tank to see if everything is okay or not.
So we just have seen the guy who showed us around. What do you think, where he worked and how he's educated?
He said he was educated for 3 years as a technician in the water resources area, and then he did a course called Meister. This is only founded here in Germany. It's very specialized. Then he started to work in the company and was promoted, and he works with other 7 or 8 people in the same team.
Excellent then. What do you think about the organization? They said water losses is very small here. In many countries in the world, water losses are 40–50%. What did he tell us, how they check it here?
The water consumption is online and 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, monitored with computers and in the central station of the company. And furthermore, they also look for leakages that might happen during the night, because it's the time where there's very few consumption. And that's it.
And they showed us Germany against Argentina. So what was the result of this break?
Well, through the monitoring station you can see the actual consumption of maybe cheerers that were watching the game of Germany against Argentina. Yeah. And during the breaks you can see that the consumption shows a peak that is not natural. It's mainly caused because of the consumption of people flushing the toilets, washing their hands, and this is also noticed in the energy consumption, where people open the freezers to get beers, to get beverages, and the peak is also, it's not only in the energy but also in the water consumption.
What about energy production in the pipeline? They have some turbines, generators in the pipeline. You remember what for? They can produce a lot of energy here.
So from the Lake Constance there's a water treatment plant on which supplies the water that comes here in Stuttgart, and also another supplier is the Landeswasserversorgung, that it's a governmental and federal supplier. The part on which comes from the Lake Constance comes here with free flow and arrives in the tanks here in the region with enough energy to actually rotate turbines and produce energy out of this difference of head. Because of that, the company is able to produce energy that they actually need along the year.